Hello everyone, I just want to show you very quickly how to upload a video from Yuja in your Canvas class. So I'm taking this as a Z class from it's a template format for your ABA 534, and the modules in the class are most likely almost like the one you are using right now. So let me use the help tab, which has embedded a page that doesn't have much inside. So I will upload a video right in this spot here. Okay, so what I need to do is to press edit and place the cursor and click in the spot where you need to upload a video. Sometimes you need to make extra space with the return tab. Then you need to go in the more external tools icon, the one that looks like a V. You press on it and you click on Yuja Media. If you have created your video and it's already on Yuja, you can probably find it by description. For example, my class is EDN 610. And we pull up everything that is called EDN 610. So if your video was already uploaded in Yuja, all you have to do is to click on the video that you want once, click it twice, and it will embed directly, and press save. There you go, your video is now in this help class. Let's go back and check. Okay, so let me show you, just in case the video is in your computer, in your desktop, all you have to do is to go in the more external tools icon, click on Yuja Media, and I'm going to use this video that I have here. It's called Video Show Developers. It's an MP4 of about 2 minutes. All you have to do when you are in this step is to drag and drop the video show. However, some computers don't respond well to drag and drop, so you can still browse and find the video. Video. So Video Developers MP4. So that's the thing. I'm not sure why it doesn't show that it's possible to use it, but I'm gonna click on it anyway. It's an MP4, so I shouldn't have any problems. I'm pressing open. See, it's happening. So you have to press start upload. And then you want to press also match caption, auto caption in English. It's good, that's where you want it to be. Press save. And now what happens is that once the video is imported in Yuja, it will be the last one you see showing in your media feed here. So all you have to do is to press on it. The fact that it shows this Yuja preview is because the video hasn't processed yet. Sometimes it takes up to 24 hours to process, but you can embed it anyway. So you embed it, right? You save, and the video will show once it's processed. Now it is just going to spin around for a few hours compared to the other one that was already done and it went through and you could see it anyway. So I hope this helps. If it doesn't, just let me know. I'll explain to you again. This is Lara Ramsey at ramsey@endicott.edu. Thank you.